Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech innovations. Today, we're looking at the Xreal Air 2 Ultra, a cutting-edge piece of technology that merges the worlds of VR and AR into a single sleek device. Imagine a future where your glasses aren't just for vision correction, but also transport you to virtual realms and enhance your surroundings with digital overlays. That future might be closer than you think with the Xreal Air 2 Ultra. Let's start with the design. These glasses sport a premium aesthetic with a hint of classic Wayfarer style. Elevated by titanium accents that not only look stylish but also contribute to durability. Despite packing advanced tech, they manage to stay comfortably wearable, even for extended periods. When it comes to visuals, the Xreal Air 2 Ultra doesn't disappoint. Featuring Sony Micro OLED panels delivering a crisp 1080p resolution per eye and a high refresh rate, the visual fidelity is top-notch. The field of view has been expanded, enhancing the immersive experience. Whether you're in VR mode or utilizing augmented reality overlays. Audio-wise, while the directional sound could be a bit tinny, it's reliable and complements the visual experience well, whether you're engrossed in a virtual world or using the glasses for productivity. Now, let's talk about what sets these glasses apart: their augmented reality capabilities. Equipped with dual 3D cameras, the Xreal Air 2 Ultra supports 6DoF positional tracking, allowing for precise interaction with digital content overlaid onto your real-world environment. From switching between workspaces to immersive gaming experiences, the potential is vast, albeit with some minor hiccups in hand tracking under certain conditions. Looking ahead, the Xreal Air 2 Ultra isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into the future of spatial computing. While it comes with a premium price tag, investing in these glasses means future-proofing yourself for what promises to be a revolutionary shift in how we interact with technology. That wraps up our deep dive into the Xreal Air 2 Ultra. What do you think about the future of VR and AR merging into one sleek device? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.